So, in the first session, Introduction to Organization Behavior, we are going to go through the following aspects. What is an organization? What are management function? What is organizational behavior? Is OB based on intuition or is it a systematic study? Research in organizational behavior, contributing disciplines to organizational behavior, challenges and opportunities for OB, and the OB model. What is an organization? The definition says that a consciously coordinated social unit composed of two or more people that functions on relatively continuous basis to achieve common goals. So now, according to this definition, not only a manufacturing unit but also a service sector or a school, a college, a church, or even the state and central government fall in organization. So now we know what is an organization, but who is a manager? A manager is a person who works in the organization. But what does a manager do in the organization? The managers plan, organize, lead, and control activities. So these are the basic four management functions: planning, organizing, leading or directing, and controlling. Planning. Planning is a function in which the manager decides what to do in future. Basically, he decides what is to be done, how it is to be done, who is to do it, right? So this function includes deciding the goals of the organization and the ways in which organization would achieve those goals. For example, a manager of a production unit may plan to manufacture 25 lakhs of units in the next year. He would also decide the process of manufacturing. The next function is organizing. The managers would also distribute the resources and design the organization structure. He will decide which work would be done by whom, who would report to whom, and who would be responsible for what activities. So, designing an organization structure, creating work systems would fall basically into organizing function. For example, a manager may allocate some number of employees for the purchase department. He would also decide that who would a purchase manager report to and who would be the employees working under him. What would be the relation of the purchase department with the other departments of the organization? So this function is called organizing. The third function is leading or directing. In this function, the manager will have to act as a leader. He would have to direct and coordinate among the employees. He will have to motivate the employees to perform better, resolve if there are any conflicts among the members, and develop a proper communication channel. Now, if the manager wants to manufacture 25 lakhs of unit in the next year, but then the workers feel that this is too high a target. So the manager over here motivates the employees, maybe through an extra bonus, or maybe through intrinsic motivation, or maybe through promotion. But he would motivate the employees to achieve the goals. The last function is controlling. Controlling is a function in which the manager ensures that the actual performance is parallel with what was planned. So here the manager would take a check if the manager would take a check actual work is done according to what was planned. For example, if the manager had planned to manufacture 25 lakhs of unit, probably within a quarter he would check that at least a quarter of the work is done. If it is not done, then he would take corrective actions. So now we have understood what kind of work does a manager do. Let us even understand what kind of skills should a manager have. These are the three skills which are very important for a manager. technical skills, human skills, and conceptual skills. Technical skills are the ability to perform a specialized task. For example, a civil engineer or a surgeon may be technically qualified to do some kind of task. That is technical skills.